Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul, so if you like to see some of the goodies that I picked up, please keep watching. Let's start off with some hair products. So this is a TikTok made me buy it. I'm currently using the Bumble & Bumble thickening volume spray or something like that. I saw Jaclyn Hill talk about it and I got it and I love it. Although I noticed with the, and that might be with every thickening spray, I don't know, I've never tried it before and that's the only one I've tried, but I don't know if it's like a thing, but I feel like once I put that in my hair, I have to wash my hair the next day. So I feel like with that, that is my day like for hair, and then I'll wash my hair on the 5th day. But if I try to like style my hair the next day, it just is gross. Like it's a knotted mess. Let me know if that happens to you. But anyways, I saw this on TikTok and this girl's hair was like, whoa, boom. It was crazy. So this is from Kenra, which is a brand I already love. Like I have so many hair products from them anyways. So I wanted to try this out. This is the Dry Volume Burst Instant Soft Hold Volumizing Spray. This is number 3 and it's 9 times the volume. So this is what it looks like. It says delivers up to 9 times the volume from roots to ends with dry application for instant results. Body, volume, and tousled texture. Interesting. It says lift and spray hair roots. I just want to smell it. I just washed my hair yesterday, so I kind of want to wait, like I said, until right before I wash my hair to try it out because I don't want to like put it in my hair now and then I have to wash my hair tomorrow. But let me know if you guys have tried this. Also, let me know if you tried the Bumble & Bumble and what you guys think of that one and if you have the same problem as me. Then if you saw, I think it was my last Ulta haul, I can't remember, I was talking about the new Redken Extreme Bleach Recovery System, and I have the, I think it's called the Circa Cream, and then the micellar water type of thing. I can't remember, or I have the conditioner. I think I have the Circa Cream, which is supposed to replace the conditioner. I can't remember. I talked about it in one of those videos. I'll link it in the description box so you can watch it and see what I'm talking about. But I was missing the shampoo, so I went ahead and bought the shampoo and they changed the bottle. So this looks nothing like the other 2 things I have from this line, but whatever, they just repackaged. But this is the Redken Extreme Bleach Recovery Shampoo, Gentle Strength Repair for bleached and fragile hair, which is me. So yeah, I'm excited to try all 3 things out. I've been bleaching my hair since my senior year. I'm already naturally blonde, just like a darker blonde, but I've been like bleaching it consistently since, you know, long time ago. But anyways, I could use all the help, but I'm kind of nervous to use Redken because just from the past, I've gone on and off trying out different Redken products and most of them make my hair feel even more dry. So I tend to stay away, but I did want to try out their new bleach recovery system just to see if maybe I would like this line instead. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know if you guys have tried out this line. I saw they also came out with another line of hair care that's supposed to be like identical to the Olaplex, which I've tried a couple things from them too. So let me know if you've tried out that as well. Let me know if you've tried out any of these products in the comments below, please. Okay, so moving on to this. This was on the sale tab. I thought it was so cute and I wanted like a loose body highlighter. So this is from Colourpop and this is the Bambi collection, I guess. This is what it looks like. It's huge and it's the Morning Light Loose Highlighter, Pixie Puff Highlighter. So that's what this looks like. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. This is literally huge. Ooh. And then it's just like a bronzy shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's definitely a bronzy goldy shade, which I'm super excited. Like I said, this is exactly what I was looking for like a summertime body glow that I could just like put on lotion, and when my skin's still a little bit sticky, you know, I could throw this on and really like make it stay. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this out for the summertime when I have a tan. Then I saw this on the sale tab too, and I was like, I don't know, I think it's like $3. This is from Ulta Beauty, so Ulta's brand, and it's the Bronze Glow Self-Tanning Glow by Morning Gradual Tanning Glow Pads for Face. It has, what? Kooky nut oil and cactus flower extract, not sure. But this is what it looks like. And I used to tan my face and my neck in the sun, and then I got paranoid I don't want it to age me faster, so I started like covering up my face and my neck in the sun. So when I lay out in the summer, which I know is also bad for you, but like it has to be better on the tanning bed, right? I don't know. So anyways, I wanted something that I could use to match my face to my body, so I thought this might be cool to try. So it says, after cleansing before bed, swipe pad all over face, neck, and décolleté. Be sure to apply evenly and avoid the lips and eyebrows. Wash hands after use. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I could put this in like a vlog and let you guys see what happens. I was using the Saint Tropez facial water mist, and it's weird because like it gets clogged after a while, and then it just starts putting like dots all over your face, and it looks like I have a face full of like moles and freckles, which if they were in like in flattering places on my face, I wouldn't mind, but they're always like right there or somewhere weird. So I'm trying to find something to replace that. Then I just got this little baggie full of free stuff. Let's see what's in here. I think I had a promo code if I remember right. So this is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, which is, Bare Minerals is one of like the first brands I ever tried when I first got into makeup back in the day. And I haven't really tried anything from them since. Not something like this that's been around for a while, so I kind of want to try everything out again. This is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. So they threw that in there. Then they gave me the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Soothing Smoothing Lipstick. So we have that. I do love the Bare Minerals Bare Serum and Concealer. That's like my favorite. Then we have the Bare Minerals Liquid Mineral Foundation that they put in here, which I have tried before. I just have the wrong shade. Then I picked up the new concealer from The Ordinary. I think it's new, or it's just new on Ulta, I'm not sure. So this is the Ordinary Full Coverage Concealer, High Coverage Formula. Oh, I got this one specifically because I thought it was weird. So this is the #1 Very Fair Neutral with Silver Highlights. The silver highlights got me. I'm sure it's like way too light, but the silver highlight thing, I've never seen that as like a concealer description, so I wanted to try it out. This is what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of like a Derma Blend packaging or something, but yeah, I'm excited for this. Then I have some hand cream because, you know, like with the baby and just everything in general, I've been using so much hand sanitizer. My hands are so extremely dry on top of washing them all the time. So I got this ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Cactus and Pink Pepper. I got it because of the cactus and pink pepper. I thought that was interesting. Yeah, anyway, so let's hold on. Let me undo it first. I feel like I had some kind of face product from ahava once, and I didn't really like it, but I mean, I figure you can't go wrong with hand cream, right? You can't. Probably just put this next to my bed at night, or maybe in my purse. I don't know, it's a little big for me to want to put in my bag. Weird. It smells like fall time? I don't know. It kind of reminds me of like what Hallmark used to smell like. Do you guys remember what Hallmark smelled like? That's what this reminds me of. I don't know why. Kind of like that fall, expensive, like, what would that be? Like the caramel apple spice from Starbucks, but just like a light touch of that. Nothing too extreme, but this smells good. Weird. It smells like that, but like a little bit of a flower. Maybe that's the pink pepper and the cactus or whatever. But ooh, this feels nice. This is another TikTok made me buy it. This is the NYX This Is Milky Gloss. I got the shade Milk It Pink. And that's what it looks like. Next, I got this because I had to, because it reminded me of like my childhood. But this is the ColourPop Roller Gloss. This is in Strawberry Kiss. That's what it looks like. I have the one from the Candyland collection. I don't know if that's the same as this or what, but I wanted to get this. Oh my god. I love this. Of course, now I can't get anything open because I put that lotion in my hands. You guys ever smell things and then just get flooded with memories? Oh my gosh. This is something I just want to like keep for the summertime. Like, oh my gosh, how cute is this? Next, I think this is another TikTok made me buy it. I should have just made a TikTok made me buy it. But anyways, so this is from e.l.f. and it's the Flawless Brightening Concealer. This is supposed to be a dupe for the YSL Brightening Concealer, I think, like the concealer pen. So I got the shade Light 23C with cool peach undertones. And I think it's one of those like clicky pens, you know, with like the brush tip. So I'm going to be trying this out in the future on like a full face of first impressions. This says... use this buildable brightening concealer to highlight all over your face. This luxurious but lightweight formula brightens and highlights your key features. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, this formula works to conceal uneven skin tone. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then I'm like getting back into like colored mascara, probably because the mask mandate, which I don't know, it's going to be lifted or whatever is happening with that. But like, I'm like, okay, the only thing people can see now is my eyes. So now's my chance to bust out all my colored mascara. So I got this. I have the maroon version of this and I really like, so I wanted to get the green one and then I'll probably buy the blue one. But this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And this is in the shade Deep Green, which I thought would be really pretty to wear. I don't know, it might just look black when it's on, but I wanted to try it out, so I got that. Then I picked up the new Physicians Formula foundation. Physicians Formula can do no wrong in my eyes. There hasn't been like one thing I can think of at the top of my head that I have not liked from Physicians Formula. First of all, I love this packaging. It's a glass bottle with a pump. Love. This is, and it's darker because I got it for when I have a tan or self-tan, but this is the Butter Believe It foundation and concealer for all skin types. I have the shade tan. So it says ultra luxurious foundation plus concealer infused with powerful blend of mura butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I hate myself. Butter and Tumuka butter. From the lush, nutrient-rich Amazon. Incredibly creamy texture melts into skin, leaving a natural, radiant, glowing complexion. I'm all about that. Long-wearing, weightless formula provides buildable medium to full coverage. So, yeah, definitely keep a lookout for a foundation first impression and wear test on that. Then I got another one of these guys. I had this in hot pink on my channel when Harley was doing the haul with me, and that was amazing. So I wanted to get another shade and I got white this time because I thought with a tan in the summertime, beautiful, and I'll probably use it as eyeliner. But this is the Makeup Revolution Eye Chrome and it's the matte and metal liquid eyeshadow. So let me open this real quick. This is in the shade Hope, which is weird because I feel like I couldn't find the name of the one in my last haul, but alright, so it's double-sided, so one's matte and the other side is metallic. I'm really curious to see what the white looks like. Minus the fact it looks like whiteout. I wonder if it's gonna crack. Like the only time I've ever used a white liner or liquid eyeshadow was like the NYX one, and that cracked so bad. Ooh, the silver is really pretty though. So these are the shades. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait to come up with some kind of like white liner look for the summer. And the silver looks really pretty too. I have two things left. I picked up the Touch in Sol Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect. I don't know, it sounded really cool. And I like the Pretty Filter moisturizer. I think that's what I have. I know I've used a whole one of those. I think that's what I have and I loved it, so I wanted to get this. Or it's like one of those like last step skincare things. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I loved it. So this is a silicone-free primer that smooth skin texture gives you a silky and fine-tuned finish. Fresh sherbet-like texture smoothly glides in with rich hydration and an instant cool down effect, which I thought was cool too. It says before applying foundation, take an even amount and apply a thin layer across the entire surface of your face. This packaging. Ah, love that. I just want to smell it. Oh boy, look at that. It smells nice. It's fragrant. It's very fragrant though, so if you don't like scents, this would probably really bother you. Weird. It kind of reminds me of this guy a little bit. We'll have to see. This is the NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer. This feels thicker than that, but maybe like the same concept, not sure. And then the last thing I picked up is I always grab these Physician Formula palettes whenever I see them because getting all of them is basically the price of one. So this is the All-Star Face Palette. This is what it looks like. And this has 2 highlights, 2 bronzers, 2 highlights, a blush, and a pressed powder in it. Look at this. And I think this is their new Yeah, this is the new matte bronzer that they came out with, so I'm super excited. Like I said, you get all these for basically the price of one. Is like the perfect deal. Like seriously, the best deal for Physicians Formula, because Physicians Formula is a little pricey. But yeah, this says it has the limited edition Mineral Glow Pearl highlighter in there, limited edition multicolored pressed powder, which I don't think I have tried the healthy powder from them, and then the one that's in like the blue container, but I've never tried like the mosaic one. And yeah, I can smell something in here, but I'm not sure if it's this or not, but super excited for this. So that's everything from my Ulta haul. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.